We're taking a look at this Paradigm 295 MK. I'll put all the details right here and we'll check everything out. Really nice floor plan here. You're going to have light cabinetry as well as some brown accents all throughout. You're going to have a ton of windows here, so huge atrium windows, so a lot of lighting coming through. You do have blackout shades on there. Down below you have this floating table dining with chair seating, which a couple of the chairs will fold up if you wanted to put that under storage and open up the space a little bit more. And then you're going to have this love seat here. Center console there will fold down to a couple of cup holders for you. You have armrest on the side. And then you're going to have this sofa here in the rear, which will fold out to another bed for you. So if you need that additional sleep spot, you can have that here. Couch side tables, you have outlets and USB ports on both sides. And both of these will flip up for extra storage. So if you had some extra living room items, you can keep that in there. And then you have overhead cabinet space, AC overhead. Entertainment section here, you're going to have overhead storage, TV mounted right there with radio control down below, place to add in a DVD player if you wanted to. There is a couple of outlets there, built-in speakers on both sides. And then you have your furnace down below, which will pull out for additional storage underneath there as well. So lots of options in here. Taking a look at your kitchen, you're going to have reinforced drawers and hinges on everything, as well as solid surface countertops, so it's built really durable. Dishwasher prep in here as well. You have drawer storage all the way down. Nice big counter space, stainless steel sink here. You have this extra little area here, which you can utilize this as a coffee bar if you wanted to. You have outlets there, or you can just add an air fryer or any other small appliance. Huge drawer space, residential size fridge here, double doors up top with the pull-out drawer down below. Pantry space right next to here, so we can take a look in there. Deep shelf space. And then we have your cooking area. So you have a 4-burner cooking area here, nice backsplash back there, counter space on both sides, drawers and storage, residential microwave up top, as well as extra storage. Another AC up here. All of your controls are going to be located right here. And then we can step up into your bedroom and bathroom area. So you have the residential shower here with that flip up seat. And then you have your medicine cabinet, sink down below, linen storage and toiletry storage right here with a bit of storage here underneath by your toilet. And then you're going to have nice size bed here, king size bed, mini bedside tables with outlets and USB ports, storage underneath there. That's perfect if you wanted to fold those chairs up from the kitchen and put them in here. And then we have another AC up top here, sliding doors that'll meet in the middle for your closet, hanging closet storage, open shelf space, as well as washer and dryer hookups in here. And then we have this extra dresser space here, so you have all these drawers, hidden storage here for your valuables or your remotes, TV up top, and then you also have this little seat here, which is really nice because you have storage in there as well. So lots of options to store everything you need, plenty of room for everybody. Let's take another look at everything and step outside.